onions and garlic. Garlic along this side, and then onions up there, red onions. That was kind of the intention for this area anyway, since they take a little while to establish, and we had no idea what we're doing. So while we were working on the land, we thought we'd throw this stuff down. We had, some success with the jalapenos and cowhorn peppers. So that was successful, and let's see if I can point that out in the, up in the corner right there. Some onions coming back. Kind of a winter garden part 2. Oh, and in the cardboard, because it's a barrier, we had potatoes planted, and on the side of the compost hill over there, we had potatoes planted last year. And unbeknownst to us, there are multiple varieties of potatoes, and some are earlier than others, and these are a later variety. So, hey, we've already gotten one batch of potatoes from our efforts here, and they were okay. It wasn't fabulous, but we also didn't, as you can tell by the additional greenery, we didn't do a lot of extra work. We're just trying it out to see how well it worked here in this soil with the amount of rain that we've had, blah, blah, blah. But we've got a second crop of potatoes, different variety of potatoes, a later variety of potatoes coming in, and that's kind of exciting because it was unintentional. We're a bit of a hands-off on the gardening, just in general. Weeds, yeah, they're there. Mulch kind of sort of works. Weed cloth doesn't work, just gets in your way later. Don't use the chemicals. Fingers crossed, we'll check back on this in January or February. So it may not look like a lot because of the weeds, but that's an onion or garlic. I don't remember what we had planted everywhere. That's also an onion or garlic. Onion, garlic. Those guys standing up. We use the sticks to help us kind of remember what we've got planted where. But you can see these guys poking up out of the ground. And obviously you can see that big guy right there. And then right here, we actually have a row on either side of the stick. We were double planting. We had some extras. Look at that over there. Oh, that's exciting. Let's see. Yep, see, 2 rows. Look at those onions. That's cool. And you go over there and there's more. More over there. Then I'm gonna come over here and poke at the dirt a little bit. I don't have a bulb there per se, but I just saw a decent sized bulb on one of these. Oh, this one right here. Yeah, I need a stick. Look at that, like an onion bulb. And now we have to dig around so that the bulbs actually sit on top of the dirt and allow them to spread. Otherwise, they compete with the dirt and they do not bulb out. I was telling you, we passed a house with a garden on the way over here today and noticed that they had pulled up a garden's worth of onions. It's like, we really need to learn how to grow onions. So this is our attempt. I forgot to look in the other bed. Look over here. I think this is garlic. Look at that one. Oh, ho, ho, ho. It's so pretty. Yeah. These guys look pretty good. And then these guys, I don't know what's going on with them. Their roots are exposed. Ooh, they're about to bloom, so this one's about done. These were left from last season, and came back. So I can't fault them for doing anything at all. Holy smokes. That's like a whole head of garlic right there. I mean, this is like humongous.
I'm sure that's garlic.
I don't know what that is, but that is gorgeous. I think that's garlic. And if that's garlic, then this is garlic. But that makes Papa proud. And we have a variety that we transplanted some from the house that are our wild garlic, which do a monoclove. And they grow like a weed because they are a weed. That's cool. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed it.
Too many hobbies, not enough time.
It's a theme song, y'all.